Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Code with Shash. So today is day 4 of Grind 75 challenge and I will be doing the fourth question in this series today. I will be moving on to the question, and the question here is best time to buy and sell stock. And in this question we are given a prices array. In the array we are given basically these integers which are prices of a particular stock according to the days, right? Like this is day 0, this is day 1, this is day 3, like that, and this is day n. So one thing we need to understand, we need to buy in a day and sell it on another day, obviously, because the prices are this for that entire day. This should be implicit. And also that if we can't generate a profit, we need to return 0. And one more thing to understand is that buying should be done before you can sell it. So we won't get into the complexities of stock market, but the thing is that you can't short here. So it's just you have to buy before you sell it. Yeah, let's move on to the constants. A constant is 10 to the power 5. So maybe we can do uh, in square, but that won't be necessary for this simple question. But generally when we see 10 to the power 5, it should be done under in into log n time complexity. So I have done this solution. Solution is in O of n time complexity, and the space constant is O of 1, that is constant. And what I have done is I have initialized two pointers. One pointer to keep track of the lowest price I have seen so far, and another pointer j is my basically my iterator, which starts from 1 after that, because I need to buy before I sell. That's why it starts from 1. And obviously max to keep track of my max profit that I have seen so far. So I am iterating and I am checking if while iterating, if I have seen a more lower price than that, whatever is in J. If J is lower than my lowest, so I will switch that index and I will move my lowest to that new J index then, if I am getting a lower value. If else, I am simply calculating max using this max function, and I am passing the difference of the profit here like this. And obviously I have to iterate in the loop, and then I am returning this, and it is already 0. So if I don't generate a profit, it will be automatically 0 here. So this is the simple solution.